So, you've decided to move to my country? Welcome to France. It is a lovely place, isn't it? Very scenic, very historic, and held together by a thin layer of brie. Very soon you will walk into a shop, perhaps a shop that only sells tiny hats for pigeons, and you will realize your French is, well, it's museum French. Sure, you can say, behold, there is a giraffe on the roof, but you are absolutely useless at saying, hello, please don't be angry, I just want to pay my electricity bill without being sent to the Bastille. You see, for us, language isn't just words. It is the difference between me inviting you in for a drink and me wondering why this damp foreigner is speaking to me in riddles. So, as a Frenchman who has seen many a brave soul vanish into the abyss of French grammar, today I am handing you the keys to the fortress. 15 phrases to make us realize you are not a badger wearing a human suit, but an actual person who respects the ritual of French eloquence. In France, the first thing you must understand is that you are always an interruption. Even if I am staring at a fly, I am busy. So, the most important sentence in the history of our republic is Bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger. One more time. Bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger. Hello, excuse me for bothering you. It is a magic phrase. It acknowledges that I have a life and you are politely knocking on the door of my reality. You are not just asking a question, you are a polite interruption, which is the only kind we tolerate. Follow up with a petite question. A small question suggests it won't take up my whole afternoon. J'ai une petite question. J'ai une petite question. I have a quick question. Then, when you want something, don't demand it. That's too German. Use the soft suggestion. Est-ce que ce serait possible de? Est-ce que ce serait possible de? Would it be possible to? It's like you are gently offering the universe a hint. Would it be possible to exist? Would it be possible to get a copy of this form? Even if your brain is currently a hamster on fire, you sound like a diplomat. Now, you can absolutely memorize these sentences. You can repeat them in your kitchen. You can whisper them to your cat like a bedtime spell. But the real challenge is saying them out loud with the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the confidence. This is exactly where italki comes in and changes everything. Italki is an online language learning platform where you can book personalized one-on-one lessons with native speaking teachers. And it's not just learning French in theory, because the whole point is that you improve listening and speaking with real conversations. You get real-time feedback and guidance, which is crucial because French is a language where one tiny sound can turn I would like bread into I am bread. And it is built to fit your budget and schedule. And you are not locked into a subscription. You can pay per lesson, which makes it flexible and surprisingly sane. So here is what it looks like. I select French here, then I can filter for what I actually need. So you have the price, the availability. I can also select teachers who speak English here if you want that safety net. And then what is really useful is the AI assistant, and you see here I've already typed it. I'm moving to France, I need a polite everyday French, I want corrections, I want confidence, and the AI already has given me some suggestions. It will guide the search, so you can check the teacher's intro, the reviews, the profile, and finally book a lesson. In order for you to actually see how an actual lesson happens on italki, I'm very happy to present to you, to introduce you to Virginie, with an actual French teacher living in France.
Hello guys. Bonjour à tous, bonjour tout le monde. So you will see, bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger, but you don't hear that at all. What can you hear? Bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger. We can notice the reduction here. Excusez, See, there's no the voyelle because we dropped the voyelle here. Excusez, and de vous déranger. It's the same here for petite. You don't hear petite, but you hear petite. And we drop the voyelle too. It's not bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger, but we have the rhythm. Bonjour, excusez-moi de vous déranger. So it's not flat, it's musical. Because yes, French, for me, in my opinion, it's musical.
Yes, I agree.
C'est possible de payer mon croissant par carte? Here, it's important too. The voice goes up at the end. It's a question. So you can say, je peux payer par carte? If you say, je peux payer par carte, they don't understand it's a question. So you have to goes up at the end, right?
Well, I hope people who see this video will flock to you, and you will have lots of new students. Merci beaucoup.
Je vous en prie. À bientôt.
So, if you want to learn French in a way that actually works in real life, first click the link in the description to start. Then, for your first lesson, you can buy $10 and get $5 free using my code Benoit. And it's only available for the first 50 users. So, if you're watching this thinking, well, I do it next week. Well, next week is how dreams quietly die. All right, let's go back to the phrases now. That's all well and good, but what about writing emails, you may ask? Well, in that case, use the cheat code. Je me permets de vous écrire pour... Je me permets de vous écrire pour... I'm taking the liberty to write to you to... It makes you sound like you are carrying a secret message for a musketeer rather than just asking why your internet has been dead for 3 weeks. Now, eventually, I or one of my countrymen will start speaking to you at the speed of light. It's not because we are in a hurry, it's just how the machine works. In that case, you need the shield. Je suis en train d'apprendre le français. Je suis en train d'apprendre le français. I am learning French. This changes everything. It tells us you are trying. We find the effort charming. And you can add the following. Merci d'être patient. Merci d'être patient. Thank you for being patient. And suddenly, I'm not your enemy. I am your mentor. When you lose the thread of a conversation, and you will, don't just nod. If you nod blindly, you might end up having accidentally adopted a goat with multiple personality disorder or joined a local pétanque club. Use this lifeline. Pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Can you repeat that, please? Or the honest, je n'ai pas bien compris. Je n'ai pas bien compris. I didn't quite understand. It's better to be confused than to sign a contract to clean the gargoyles of Notre Dame. And if you are stuck, ask comment dit-on something something en français? Comment dit-on something something en français? How do you say something something in French? It makes us feel superior. You get the word for sink plug and everyone goes home happy. At some point you will have to deal with the system. This is the part of France that was designed by a committee of people who were very bored and had a lot of ink. If you are trying to rent a place, you must ask, est-ce que les charges sont comprises? Est-ce que les charges sont comprises? Are the utilities included? Because charge can mean anything: water, heating, or the salary of the man who stands on the corner and judges your recycling habits. Then you flash the holy relic. J'ai un dossier complet. J'ai un dossier complet. I have a complete file, meaning other documents. To a French landlord, a dossier complet is the Magna Carta. If you say this, the heavens open. It means you have respected the ritual of the paper. Even if your printer is held together by hope and old tape, tell them it is complete. On the phone, which I know is a terrifying nightmare, keep it rigid. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous. I would like to make an appointment. And to keep the conversation from collapsing into a pile of hums and ahs, j'appelle au sujet de. J'appelle au sujet de. I am calling about. It gives the conversation a spine. And when you have reached your limit, just say Je vous envoie ça par email. Je vous envoie ça par email. I will send it to you by email. It is the universal signal for I am fleeing now before my neurons go on strike. You have survived. You've got your cheese, your screws, the lettuce for Jacques, your pet snail, and your residency permit. Now you must live here without being weird. Use the polite inquisitor. Ça vous dérange si? Ça vous dérange si? Would you mind if? Would you mind if I took a photo of this very old wall? Would you mind if I continued to breathe the local air? It's soft, it's natural, and it makes you sound like you own at least 3 different types of scarves. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. We will immediately know that you are a foreigner just by looking at your socks. And for this reason, we are not expecting perfect grammar from you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when you speak French. I guarantee you that we will appreciate your efforts and we will be happy to help you progress. The goal here isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be socially intelligent. Just try, sweat a little. We like the effort. However, for the proud people that we are, there is nothing worse than a foreigner who comes to live in France and does not make the slightest effort to learn our beautiful language. You have been warned. Choose your path wisely. Thank you for watching. I love you all.